This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Nissan Leaf air filter full guide. Start by gathering a new cabin filter, a flashlight, and a small screwdriver. Work in a well-lit area and keep parts organized. I will walk you through removing the glove box, locating the filter housing, swapping the old filter for the new one, and testing airflow. Follow along at your own pace and pause when needed. Before you start, double-check the replacement filter fits your Nissan Leaf and that you have a small screwdriver and flashlight. Park the car on level ground and turn off the vehicle for safety. Clear a workspace and a small tray to hold screws and clips so nothing gets lost. I'll explain how to open the glove box and access the filter housing step by step so you feel confident throughout. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, which saves time so you can focus on car maintenance. I find a cleaner home helps me stay organized while working on projects like filter swaps. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by lowering the glove box and releasing the limiting arm or stops to access the filter housing. Pull the old filter straight out while noting the airflow arrow so you install the new one correctly. Slide the replacement filter into place, ensuring a snug fit without bending it. Reattach the glove box stops and test airflow from the vents. I'll remind you of common mistakes and quick tips to avoid them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.